Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today's story is all about something that happens every day, asking for help in a store. But wait, have you ever walked into a store and suddenly felt a little nervous? You wanted to ask for something, but you didn't know the right English words? Yes, that happens to many people. Don't worry, today's video will help you speak confidently and politely when you need help in a store. By the end of this story, you'll know exactly what to say and how to say it naturally. So let's begin. Yay! It's a bright afternoon in New York City. Emily, a young woman from Texas, walks into a big clothing store called Style World. She wants to buy a blue jacket, but she can't find it anywhere. She looks around, racks of clothes everywhere. So many colors, so many options, but no blue jacket. She takes a deep breath. Okay, I should ask for help. Now, here's what you can say when you're in this situation. Excuse me, could you please help me? This is a very polite way to get attention in a store. Let's say it slowly together. Excuse me, could you please help me? The words excuse me show respect. You use them before asking something. And could you please is softer and kinder than just help me. So Emily walks to a store worker and says, "Excuse me, could you please help me?" The worker smiles and says, "Sure. What are you looking for?" Emily answers, "I'm looking for a blue jacket." The phrase "I'm looking for" is super useful. It means I want to find something. For example, I'm looking for shoes. I'm looking for a birthday card. I'm looking for something cheaper. Easy, right? The worker says, "Oh, blue jackets? They're on the second floor." Emily replies, "Ah, thank you so much." That short sentence, "thank you so much," sounds very natural and friendly. You can also say, "Thanks a lot," or "I really appreciate it." These little phrases make your English sound warm and polite. Emily goes upstairs. She finds many jackets, red, black, white, but still no blue one. Maybe she should ask again. She walks up to another worker. "Hi, excuse me, do you have this jacket in blue?" This question is perfect when you already found an item but want a different color or size. Do you have this in blue? You can also say, do you have this in large? Or do you have this in another color? Wow! See? So easy and natural. The worker checks the computer and says, let me see. Oh, yes, we have one in the back." Emily smiles. "Oh, great. Can I try it on?" The phrase, "can I try it on," means you want to see how the clothes fit. If you're in a clothing store, this is a phrase you'll use a lot. Say it with me. Can I try it on? Sounds confident, right? The worker says, "Sure, the fitting rooms are over there." Emily walks to the fitting room and tries the jacket. It fits perfectly. She looks in the mirror and smiles. "Wow, I love it," she says. That's a great reaction word. Wow. When something looks amazing. Now she's ready to buy it. At the counter, she says, "Hi, I'd like to buy this jacket, please." This is the polite way to say you want to purchase something. "I'd like to" means I want to, but more gentle and polite. You can also say, "I'd like to pay by card," or "I'd like a receipt, please." Yeah, now you're speaking like a native. The cashier scans the item. "Okay, That'll be $49.99. Emily gives her card. Then, suddenly, oops, oh no. She remembered she left her wallet in the car. She laughed softly. Ha ha ha! Oh no, I forgot my wallet. The cashier smiles kindly. No worries, I can hold your item. Emily says, thank you, I'll be right back. And that's the end of part 1. In this part, we learned how to ask for help politely, excuse me, could you please help me? Say what you're looking for. I'm looking for. Ask if they have something. Do you have this in? Try something on. Can I try it on? Buy something politely. I'd like to buy this, please. Great work today. You see how easy and natural English can be when you use short, friendly phrases. In part 2, Emily comes back to the store, but something unexpected happens. What do you think it is? Stay tuned to learn more English phrases you can use in real-life shopping situations. See you in the next part. Yay!
Emily walks quickly to her car. The cool breeze touches her face as she unlocks the door. She picks up her wallet and says, finally, I got it. She walks back into the store, smiling. Okay, she thinks, this time I'll pay for my beautiful blue jacket. She's a little tired, but still happy. When she reaches the counter, she notices something strange. The cashier looks worried. Emily asks, is everything okay? The cashier says, oh, I'm so sorry, but another customer just bought that same jacket. Emily's eyes open wide. What? Wow, really? The cashier nods. Yes, it was the last one we had. For a moment, Emily feels disappointed. She really wanted that jacket. She takes a deep breath and says softly, okay, no problem. Then she smiles because she remembers something important. Even when things don't go perfectly, staying polite and calm is also good English practice. She says, could you please check if another store has it? That's a great phrase to remember. Could you please check if another store has it? It means you want the person to look in their system for the item in another location. The cashier types quickly on the computer. Yeah, there's one available at our Brooklyn branch. Emily's eyes light up. Wow, that's great news. She asks, can I pick it up today? The cashier replies, yes, I'll reserve it under your name. Emily smiles. Thank you so much. You're really helpful. The cashier smiles back. My pleasure. That's another beautiful expression. My pleasure. It means you're welcome, but sounds even warmer. As Emily walks out, she says, I'll stop by Brooklyn after lunch. But before leaving, she sees a little display near the door. Colorful scarves on sale for $5 each. She laughs softly. Maybe I can get one of these instead. She picks up a soft red scarf and goes to the counter again. I'd like to buy this scarf, please. The cashier smiles. Sure, that'll be $5. Emily pays and says, thank you. Have a great day. The cashier answers, you too. Such a simple, friendly exchange. This is how English feels natural, short, polite, and full of kindness. When Emily steps outside, she wraps the scarf around her neck and says, feels so warm. Even though I didn't get my blue jacket, I got something nice today. She looks at the busy street, cars passing by, people walking fast, and she smiles again. Sometimes, she thinks, a little mistake or oops moment brings something even better. Isn't that true? Now, let's review some phrases you learned in this story. Excuse me, Could you please help me? I'm looking for. Do you have this in blue? Can I try it on? I'd like to buy this, please. Could you please check if another store has it? My pleasure. Wow, that's a lot of useful English in one story. But you didn't just learn phrases. You learned how to sound friendly and confident in real life. So next time you're in a store in the U.S. and you can't find what you need, just remember Emily's story and use these words with a smile. People will understand you easily, and they'll love how polite you sound. Before we end, here's a little tip. Practice these lines out loud. Yes, speak them. Don't just read them. Speaking helps your mouth and brain work together. Say it with energy. Say it with feeling. Like this. Excuse me, could you please help me? Feels good, right? Wow, you did it! You learned natural English for real shopping situations. Keep practicing, and you'll sound more fluent every day. Yeah, great job today. I'll see you in the next lesson with another simple and fun English story for daily life. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking.